So I managed to quit my 9-to-5 job in construction and grow a marketing agency to 5K a month within just 90 days with no idea what I was doing. So 2 years ago, I started this and I was a plasterer. I was unfulfilled, I lacked purpose, and I felt really lost because everyone around me didn't have the same goals as me. When I was in England, no one wanted to travel the world, no one wanted to become a digital nomad, so I had no clue what I was doing. So I quit my job with 5K in the bank, 0 clients, and flew out to Asia with a goal of becoming a digital nomad. Since then, I've managed to grow my agency to over 10K a month while traveling to over 20 countries last year and around 10 countries this year. And the most fulfilled I've ever been. I've got the freedom to work where I want, who I work with, and just in any location. I'm currently in Bali in my villa, and it's living life on my own terms. And yes, I'm 2 years down the line now, but I created this in just 90 days where I got to 5K a month. So today I'm gonna show you the exact process I went through and how I've got payments like this from running a marketing agency in Bali. So how did I do this? Because I had no skill set. I had no idea what I was doing. I had no skill that I could sell to anyone. I had no business knowledge at all. Like, my experience was being a plasterer and working in travel on sales calls for a little bit, and that was it. And I also had no money really. I had 5K in the bank, but I needed that to fund 3 months of having a go at building this agency. So you might be in a similar position. And for me, the best model is a marketing agency or an agency in general. It doesn't have to be specifically marketing. It can be stuff like AI automation, where you're just providing services for business and saving them time and money. But you might be unsure what an agency is. So the reason it's one of the best models is because it's super simple. There's only 3 steps to an agency. One is appointments. So it's booking people onto a sales call. So it's just the process of getting people to see your offer and then booking them onto a sales call. Once they're on the sales call, you've got the sales process. How can I close this person? How can I make the sale and for them to become a client of mine? And then finally, you've got the service delivery. This might change depending on, well, it will change depending on the service you're providing, but that is the whole process. Booking appointments, closing on sales calls, and then just delivering the service. It's super simple. It's very low startup cost compared to stuff like drop shipping or trading and crypto. And even like becoming an influencer is very tough. So the agency model is the quickest way to become a digital nomad. And we're gonna go through this whole process today of how you can book appointments, how you can get better at sales and actually close deals, and how you can do your service delivery all in 90 days so you can start living in place in Bali or traveling the world, which I've done both of. So step 1 is picking a high income skill. So to book appointments, to build an agency, you need to find a problem in a market. So for me, I work in the health and wellness niche, and the problem is they don't run social media very well and they can't generate sales through their social media. So there is a problem. So my agency provides a solution is where we provide social media and we actually make sure they're converting into sales. So first of all, you need to pick a skill that does it solve a problem. This could be paid ads, it could be email marketing, it could be AI automation, it could be social media, it could be videography, it could be photography, it could be anything really. Anything that solves a problem for a business. And the bigger the problem, the more you get paid. And the faster you can solve the problem, the more you get paid. It's called like a bleeding neck problem. If it's a problem that they need to solve urgently, they're gonna pay a lot more for it. Are you interested in learning the skill? I love social media, I love creating videos, it's why I started, and it makes it so much easier because I'm willing to actually progress in the skill. Can the skill be learned in a few months? So stuff like being a psychologist or like a therapist or something, that's gonna take years. Whereas something like social media marketing, you might think you'd be an expert, but you don't need to. You just need to be better than the businesses that you're helping. And like you can do that in a few months, and also you're saving them a lot of time as well. So that is a key selling point. And if you're unsure, oh, what skill can I do and what niche can I go into? If in the description, there's an AI bot that helps pick you a skill and a niche based on your personality, what your interests are, any previous experience, and also like what's working well in the markets at the moment. So step 2 is once you've picked your skill and you know which problem you're solving, we need to create a power offer and position our offer and our agency in the right way. So what is the problem that your skill can solve? what industry has the biggest and most painful problem? So the classic example is a bottle of water from like a supermarket might be 50p, but positioned correctly in like an airport or on a plane, it could be £3-4, or in Ibiza and nightclubs, it can be about £15. So same product, they've positioned it in a different place. They've positioned it in a place where people have a bigger problem, so they can then leverage that and sell it for more. So it's the same with your agency. Like, which industry has the most painful problem with this? And what result can you provide the service? So with your offer, you don't want to focus too much on, oh, okay, I'll post 5 videos per week and then we'll do this and then we'll do this. No, what can your service, what is the result that you can provide? Can you provide an increase in income of 10K a month? Can you bring in 20 new leads every single month? Can you save 20 hours per week through your AI automation? And to start with, you might not be able to put specific numbers on it, but you can still say, I can increase your revenue or I can save you time. You want to focus on the result, and as you work with more clients, you can then obviously put a more specific number on it. Step 3 is booking appointments. So how do you book appointments? So this is starting the actual first step of an agency. These are like setup steps that once you do once, that everything is set up. And now we're heading into the 3 main parts. So how do you book appointments? There's 2 ways. We've got outbound marketing. So this is you and this is the business. You might say, hey, we can get you X result. Are you interested? And then the business will come back to you and say yes or no. And the way to do this is like email outreach, ads, cold calling, LinkedIn DMs, Instagram DMs, door-to-door, leaflets. Obviously the last 2 aren't the most efficient. So what we focus on in my community, so I've also got a community that helps 9-to-5ers become digital nomads, and we actually have a guarantee that you hit 3 to 8K a month within 90 days. So if you are interested, you can book in a free call in the description. But the main ones we focus on within that course that has got students, so many clients within the first 90 days. People like Tom got 5 clients in the first 60 days. We focus on email outreach and also like LinkedIn and Instagram DMs, depending on the niche. So as I said, we've built a fully automated system. It's the quickest way to get new clients on autopilot. So you're not sitting there all day sending emails. It's all on autopilot. You just have to focus on kind of the replies and getting people on the calls. So that is the first type of marketing. It's results focused offer, send them more information and then get them to book a call. And then the second option is inbound marketing, where you might be here creating content and the business might see, oh, this person solves the problem that I have. So they might message you saying, I see you do XYZ, can you help us? And that is a really, really good method because they approach you. You're directly attracting people that have that problem if you make the content right. And the best method, if you target the ICP correctly, the ideal customer profile, as the trust is already built, but it can be a bit slower to get leads. Content takes time, it takes time for inbound marketing to work, but it is the best method, so it's really good to start. And then 6 months down the line, you'll start getting people reaching out to you. But the reason it's really good is because the trust is being built, because they've got free value from them, they've seen your content, they like you as a person, and then they hop on the call. So they're already in a much more of a buying state than outbound marketing. But outbound marketing gets you much quicker results at the start. So we recommend focus on outbound marketing first and then inbound marketing slightly further down the line. So once you've started booking appointments, then you have to close the sales deals. And there's a bit of a process with this. Like, this was the scariest part for me. I'm very introverted naturally. So hopping on a sales call with a random person, I was nervous. But I found a system that works really well. I've learned from many people that have done millions and millions through sales. So I've learned this system and it has helped me so much. First is diagnose like a doctor. So many people go onto sales calls thinking, oh, I need to sell. I'm gonna pitch myself straight away. No, if you go to a doctor's, they'll say, oh, okay, what's happening? Like, what is the problem? Why are you here? And you might say, oh, my arm hurts, okay. And then they'll keep asking you questions until they know what solution they can provide you. They don't go straight away, oh, you need paracetamol or you need a sling for your arm. They ask questions. So what is in the sales process, you want to find out why are they on the call? What are their problems? So, oh, we're not generating any sales through social media and we can't generate views. Okay, that's good. No, it's not good to hear, but okay. And why do you think that is? So you really want to delve down into the problem, and it puts them in this painful state of like kind of thinking about their problems, and it puts them in this uncomfortable state, which is, it doesn't sound great, but it's actually really, really good. Next, you want to like future plan their business. What is their dream outcome? So it might be, oh, through social media, we want consistent views, we want to build a really good community, and we want to start generating sales through social media. So now there's a gap where they are now and where they know they can get to. And then you'd be like, okay, what's stopping you from bridging that gap? A lot of time is they don't have the expertise or they don't have the time, but you're getting them to admit defeat. Okay, we can't do this by ourselves, or they just might want it quicker. And then that's when you say, oh, I'm really confident I can help you. Can I explain how we can do that? And that's where you pitch your offer, and you are bridging the gap. You're bridging the gap between the current situation and their dream outcome. You are the thing that bridges that gap, that takes them on that path and actually achieves their dream outcome. So that is how you simply do a sales call. It is not as difficult as you think. And what is good, if you stick with a specific skill, a niche, the same questions, the same objections will keep popping up, so you'll get better and better throughout the process. And then once you've closed them, you've got your first client. You'll receive a payment of something like this. And that is like a monthly payment that you can get through your services. And that is where you just provide the service. Obviously you might have a skill set, or you've been learning a skill set. And that is where you start to provide the service. Through that, you can then quit your 9 to 5. Suddenly you've got 40 hours spare to get more and more clients, to get better at doing your marketing, to have more time to do your inbound marketing, to then get on more sales calls, to then close more clients. And then you can do months like this where you're doing 15K months from places like Bali. And that is where you get that complete freedom to travel the world. As I said, 20 countries last year, places like Peru, and also basing myself in Bali for 6 months. And that is the whole process. It is not too complicated. And that's why the agency model is the best when you're starting from this point as a plasterer or a 9 to 5 with either no clue how to start, or you might have a bit of a skill set but you don't know how to go off on your own and actually market it and run the whole agency. So yeah, as I said, there's loads of resources in the description. We've got a free 2-hour course. We've also got the AI bot that will help you pick your skill. And if you're interested in the community and the mentorship, it's one-to-one mentorship with me. You can book in a call in the description where we guarantee 3 to 8K a month within 90 days. We're that confident with our offer, and we'll see if you're a good fit and actually fit into our mentorship and community. And we'll also give you a free roadmap of how you can go from where you are now to living the life of your dreams and being a digital nomad. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one.